What if building your first AI agent was as simple as writing a hello world? No complex coding and no complicated setup. Just a few steps, and your own intelligent AI agent is ready to respond. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Copilot A to Z Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a hello world agent, how to change the model of the agent, how to add simple instructions, and how to test your agent using a very simple prompt. So, let's begin. So let's start. Let's open any of your browser and type copilotstudio.microsoft.com, and we will log in with our Microsoft credentials. Now, right now, I've already used my credentials, and we are now in the landing page of this Copilot Studio. You can see on the top right hand side, it says environment. Right now, it is showing Microsoft default environment. In our upcoming videos, I'll show you how to create your personal environment, named environment using Power Platform. This is the settings, and this is the account with which we have logged in. Now, this is the mid section where you can find details, create workflow, create an agent, create computer using agents. Then we have a learning resources, learning path as well, free Copilot Studio workshop. Getting started with the Copilot Studio, there are some videos, quick links, details, guides that are also available. We have few templates that are also available, but since this is a hello world agent, a first agent, I'll keep it from the scratch. And you can see on the left hand we have the agent section. Let's click on it. These are the available agents that you have already built, so I haven't created anything. This is a demo one. So we'll create a new. You can see these are a few of the install a manage agent. There are some templates that I said just few minutes ago that start with an agent template. So we have multiple templates that can be used to create the agent, which has already pre-built workflows and others. But let's start with the basic one. So on the top, you can see create blank agent. I'll click on it and getting things ready. This will land up with the agent page. So here we have to develop our agent. We need to add the details for the agent. You can see multiple sections that needs to be configured. It just takes like few minutes or seconds to get it provisioned. Till then you will not be able to edit anything. So you can see the edit option is not available. Now you can see it says the agent has been provisioned, and you can see the edit option. So first of all, we'll make the changes to the name. Right now it says agent one. We will make it hello world agent. Okay. And let's change the icon. From here you can change the icon of your agent. So I already have downloaded this Microsoft Copilot logo. Let's save it. So you can see the changes. It's very quick. And I'll say your agent is already ready. If you want, you can give any prompt and your agent will start responding. So I'll show you. Let me type it hello and let's see. Okay, so you can see that it has started responding. There are some predefined topics that are already there based on which the agent starts responding. So this is basically the hello world agent. Let me give some more details to this agent. Let me give a description, a very short description. This is a hello world agent. and we will save it. Now I'll just show you the agent model. We will not discuss a lot, but see, this is the default agent model. This is currently using GPT 4.1 as a default. If you will click on the drop down, it will show all the available models. GPT-5 chat is also available. 5 auto is in the preview model. GPT-5 is still in the preview model. Preview means that you can still use it for testing purpose, but is not recommended to use it in the production environment. Right now we'll keep it simple, the default environment. And this is the major part in your agent creation, the instruction. Basically, it describes what is this agent to do, its tone, its rule, how to respond back to the queries. Uh, I'll just edit it and give it a one line just to show how to add the instructions. So I'll mention here. So this is very basic instruction. I'm just putting a generic one. I'm not going to give you a detail. There would be a separate video on how to add the instructions because that is the major part. And I'll create a complete video, a separate video on how to add instructions to your agent. That is completely, that is something which, based on which your agent will respond. The consistency is depending upon the instructions, how slow or fast your agent is responding, the data sources that are available. So everything is dependent upon the instructions. Now, I've just typed it here. You are an intelligent AI agent. Please respond to the user queries using the data sources available. Use the bullet points when required. So a very basic, keeping it very basic. Let's save it. This is the knowledge sources, basically the data sources. Add data files and other resources to inform and improve AI generated responses. So when we need to ground our data to our own resources, we will add those knowledge sources in it. And the next part is web search. Enable your agent to search all the public websites. If you want to see the public websites, we can enable it. But when we are creating any AI agents for your organization, it is always recommended to disable it so that we can ground the data sources, whatever we are going to provide to the agent. Next section is tools. It empowers the AI to complete a specific task for the improvement and engagement. Okay. And then we have triggers that can be applied. Then we have agent section. So basically we can create multiple small agents and connect them. So they are called connected agents. So if we have multiple data sources, what we can do that we can create one agent which will ground a data source like SharePoint. We can create one agent that has a grounded data source with Teams. So and then we can create connect them all and create a single agent. So this is kind of a load balancing. Now we have predefined topics that are available. Goodbye greeting. So when someone type these details, agent will auto respond. So you can see that I've typed hello and it has that topic available. Goodbye, greeting. So these are the topics that are available. And we do have other details channels on which we can uh, publish your agent. and all. So basically, the hello world agent itself means that this is the first step, how to create, how to land to your agent, and how to create it. So I haven't added any details. It's just the basic detail, the name and the description, and I've just added one line in instruction. So you can see that the agent has started responding. Let's ask few questions that is available in the generic general knowledge, like how to make a burger, how to make a pizza, and all. Let me type that. Let's see if the agent is going to respond us or not. Okay, great. So you can see that the activity section shows where it has got the answer. So the response was generated from a general knowledge from the LLM. So as of now, we haven't given any data sources to this agent. It is responding based on the LLM, the large language model. I'll give you a complete description on what is LLM, how it works, what are orchestration and all. So every topics would be covered under our series. Check the answer if that is relevant, that is correct or not. So how to make a burger, the ingredients, the steps, and let me know if you need any specific recipe. So you can see that a basic question has been answered. The agent has responded properly using its own AI model, using its own LLM. So we are done with the hello agent. Our next, and that brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we will take the things further and explore how to add knowledge sources, how to add instructions, how to create and manage topics, and how to add triggers. So stay tuned for the next tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please hit a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos from Copilot A to Z Cat.